What's going on, guys? My name is Falcon, and today I'm gonna be talking about new things on my YouTube channel. Like I'm gonna be starting to do an intro, cause what is it? I'm making one. Like I'm gonna ask my dad if I can make one on his computer, and record that, put that in. So yeah, and also we're almost gonna hit 30 subscribers, so I hope we can do that before like school starts for everyone and stuff. So yeah, guys, that would be cool. And if we can reach the 30 subscribers, that would be awesome. I'll try to put out a brand new like montage, something like a funny moments montage. And if you guys really want me to do that, just subscribe real quick to me, and that'll be awesome. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. My name is Falcon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.